तू कोण आला तू काँग्रेस आम किती तू कोण आला कोण आला तू काँग्रेस
The in charge of rural constituency of AAP, I want to hear Sabin.
तू नायले मग तू नायले जे कोण कोण
हम सौकला कांग्रेस में
बीजेपी केलं आज 2 वर्ष झाली युनिव्हर्सिटी पॅक केलं पाहिजे आणि
अरे समज बाबा हा काँग्रेस में अजून दुकान येतो प्रतिभा किती गेला सोडो किती गेला
इलेक्टेड झाले
Tatiana, I'm gonna. मग बघूया वेळ भेटणार ते सगळं जाऊ दे.
They are showing the frustration in Baba Shah. It's showing that he's sitting at home and he's bought these gundas. Such degrading things. ये गुंडा भी आमच्या उडले आमचे सेम आमच्या अंगावर उडले आमचे बायले खातावले मला रे कळता आय विल बीट यू
वदर आता
ज्यांना किती मारे माझ्या मारे तात्या मारपास
गिरे विमा
You don't fight anyone. Let them. They are showing their frustration. No. Some are criminals.
ठिकाण जीव नाही
तो सामान्यपणे बाबाचंद सपोर्टान आलो न्ही आमी सगळे बाबाचंदाचे हाजून एसटीपी काँग्रेसमॅन बाबाचंद आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्यार प्रतिमा फ्रॉम रावेली संघे कोण प्रतिमा कसो रयता हिंगा कोणाक न्यायकार कोणाकू रयता हिपर बाबाचंद कित्याक बाबा वोट मारलो म्हणून पुढे प्रतिमा कितें आपा कोणाकू रयता कुत्रा इथला का प्रतिमा कुत्रा इथला कुत्रा इथला हम बरोबर चुकलो
पैसेंजर मारता ते नॉट फेअर पैसेंजर तुम्ही मारता पळय पैसेंजर तुम्ही किती
ये हमारे बंद
कोणाची शर्ट तोडायला घातलं कुठे घातलं चावी
कोणाची ताती मारा है हमारे पर कितना रे एक मारा दो मारा
अरे भाई
कायर पडले हातीर पडले हेजे कोण मारतो सोयन मारताय रे
चुकन पडा
चुकून पडला आमचे
आता मुझे पडला
चुकून
पण तिला तिच्या बोलते का विचार चल
कोणाके बैठ पाहिजे
कोणा
बायला बायला ते मध्ये बायल दिसतात
म्हाका चोपा रावतले थिंग वॉस तेक दाखय मरे वॉस घाल उशेल की दाखय मरे पळय मरे ना वॉस मरे दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट नुवे पावर इट इज नॉट आम आदमी वन वोट अर्नेस्ट एक वोट पडलो पंचायत
आज किती झालं कित्या लागून केव्हा जालें आनी कित्या लागून बोवाळ जालो
My friends had come to meet me. We had a common meeting today. Babashan was supposed to come. Yes, there are 4 vehicles of Aam Aadmi Party. Some debates. That is, I think one is that Pratima, who had gone along with Shankar and Molkar, I have heard, before joining us in the BJP. She was making her desires to join into the BJP. And today she's trying to come here and create a havoc in the whole city. In the whole state, sorry. It is saddened to see that our Goan people are getting carried away with here. Defection is at one point, but this type of situation should not be created. Nowhere is one power. We are one power. We are united. Whatever parties come here, Babashan is with us. This power is shown by us. We are people who are from here, from ground grassroots level. We are here from Panchayat level till where he has reached to the MLA, and my people have elected him. We know what Babashan is doing. I don't need Aam Aadmi to come and tell me what I am doing and what not we are doing. This is no other party who's going to tell me. We have joined the BJP, and by joining the BJP, the constituency also has seen immense amount of development. Undoubtedly, I think none of you all should be grieving. Voting will be happening in 6 months' time. Please give us a peaceful time. We will do whatever is required, whatever is left. Whatever the constituency has faced over the reign of 18 years of an MLA from the Raya constituency, over the reign of an MLA from Betalbati, we are now here. We are actually doing all the corrections. We are wholeheartedly and simply with simplicity. Please don't come to our doorsteps like this, and do not degrade yourself. And do not degrade yourself because you all do not have any respect, Aam Aadmi. That lady who you all are carrying along with, that another lady, that is Pratima Coutinho, or whoever. And I know, after this she will also speak on me. I can affect to it. So all thanks to you all. I'm sorry if anything has happened from my mob towards you all. But Nube is one part.